Hi everybody. Today I'm going to share with you how to call the queue. To call the queue, we will pass you the manuals like this. Alright. So there are two important links or website links you need to know. First is the monitor the queue. So this one is a very powerful and very useful link. As you can see here, if I open it, and you can see this is a summary of the queue. You can see how many tickets are waiting right now. So with this link, you can open all the time. You can go to dining, you can go shopping, you can move around, and then you can monitor live how many tickets are waiting to be called. All right, so you can monitor live from anywhere. So please open this link and in your phone, and then you can see live. All right, so this is the first link that you need to know to monitor the queue. The second link is for you to call the queue. So you can log in using your phone or your laptops or any device, your tablet. You no need to download a special apps to call the queue. All right, so you can just use any device to call the queue. So just go scan this QR code. You can go to singaporequeue.com. All right, you can go to singaporequeue.com and you log in using the provided username and the password. So let's try. So go to singaporequeue.com, then you just log in using your username and password. Now you just click sign in. As you can see here, once you log in, this is your company name. You can only call your own company, you can't call other companies. All right, and the same, you can see how many tickets are waiting right now, and this will show the oldest tickets, how long they've been waiting for. All right, so you just click at this your company name, and as you can see here, this is a very straightforward interface. Below is the table for you to see all the waiting tickets. You can see here. All right, and the buttons are very straightforward. Call next queue. All right, call current queue, end this queue, and miss this queue. Now, so once you click call next queue, all right, then the TV will be ding dong. All right, so the TV will show. Um, all right, so I'm going to show it to you, the TV. All right, it's here. All right, this is just examples. All right, so what you need to do is you just click call next queue. That's the only thing you need to do. So once you click call next queue, all right, the TV will show. You will ding dong. You will call 1002. Now, as you can see here, 1002. So once the person comes, you need to ask for the ticket, and then you need to match. They might be the wrong persons. All right. So after you call, if nobody come, you can click call current queue again. So once you click call current queue again, the TV will be ding dong again. Okay. So you can click call current queue a couple of times. All right, so if they come, you can conclude. You can conduct the interviews. Once done already, you just click end queue. That's all. Then once you're ready to call the next one, you just click call next queue again. All right, you can see the table below. All right, 1003 is calling right now. So once you call already, all right. So if you try to call them call current queue, you try to call them many times, they're not coming. All right, you can click miss this queue. So once you click miss this queue, it will become red color below, and then you can see on the TV it will show miss. Okay, then you can keep call the next one again, and so on and so forth. All right, so that's all. This is all you need to do to call the queue. So remember this page. All right, so you can see here there's a new ticket come in, the white colors, 1004. Okay, so then you can call the next queue again. All right, you can call the next queue. Okay, now then you conduct the interview. One done already, then you end the queue, and so on and so forth. All right, okay, do try. Thank you.